Sexual pleasure is offered to man by life as an incomparable blessing. The moment of the sexual act is one of the resolution and gushing forth. It presents the perfect image of happiness. These value judgments, even though they have a major role in the scheme of things, are considered null and void if it is a question of going to the heart of the matter. Without any doubt at all, there are solid reasons for this. The first being that if these judgments were true, it would, in spite of everything, be necessary to contest them. For if we were to admit them, our lives would no longer be possible. No one founds their conduct on the antinomy between moments of bliss and humanly organized life. In truth, eroticism is dangerous precisely because of its value. As we recognize it, we take the risk of destroying both ourselves and our works. But simply to confront the difficulty is not to get to the heart of the matter. Finally, someone asks, in all its profundity, the question of what sexual pleasure means. This is not an insignificant question. It is almost impossible not to start by considering how the lost good to which the best part of man's endeavor is devoted could really differ from sexual pleasure. In other words, is not value set in contrast to the world of things defined decisively by the extreme point of sexual pleasure? What is most evident in all this is that since sexual pleasure is by its very nature happiness and desired as such, value is detached from it because it nevertheless has the sense of unhappiness. The pleasure of the body is unclean and baneful, and man in a normal state, let's be precise, man engaged in ordinary activity condemns it or accepts that it should be condemned.